Savid makes sure to use the best available technology from planting to harvest. This way, we can guarantee food safety while preserving natural resources. There are many ways to plant bananas. The planting method highly depends on the type of irrigation system used. Traditionally, banana farms use the flooding system, which can damage the soil and be inefficient in terms of water consumption. Instead, Savid uses two kinds of methods: the sprinkler irrigation and drip irrigation systems. Paso Robles uses the sprinkler system. It requires bananas to be planted in a hexagon shape. This system can help reduce water consumption by up to 30%. In Pasadena, we use the drip irrigation system, which means we use double lines. And this system can save up to 50% water consumption. Using these methods, we can fertilize the farm more efficiently by incorporating fertilizers within the irrigation water, known as fertigation. Another advantage of this is that there is less humidity and fewer problems with fungus diseases like cicatoca. This is a prevalent disease for our bananas and is controlled by good agricultural practices like cutting infected leaves, good nutrition, and irrigation management. Banana farms harvest all year round, but the plants are at different stages throughout the farm. So it is essential to keep track of the age of the bananas to make sure to harvest a uniform product every week. Banana stems take between 9 to 11 weeks to harvest. To know when they're ready, we have a calendar of 12 weeks, and each week has a different color. Workers put the corresponding colored ribbon on new stems every week. As long as they're between 2 to 3 colors during harvest, the fruit will be uniform and ripen evenly when it gets to the market. Throughout the farms, there are cableway systems that transport the banana stems through the packing house. These cableways help avoid bruising the fruit and reduce waste. As soon as the fruit arrives at the packing house, it is parked in a specific receiving area for quality inspection and to clear any plastic material. Banana stems are subsequently washed and continue to the first tank for dehanding. The hands go into 3 different tanks depending on size. On the other side, a selection team cuts the hands into clusters, after which the fruit goes into a second washing tank, this time for 15 minutes, to make sure they are clean and don't have any latex. The fruit is put onto trays and goes through a weight control. The fruit then receives a post-harvest treatment that is based on citrus seeds. Next is labeling and cluster bags before continuing to the packers. Once the fruit is packed into the box, it is palletized and receives a traceability code. This code will help trace back the fruit in case of a problem in the market. The pallets are put as soon as possible into the container to start the cool down process. Bananas travel at 13 degrees Celsius, and 2 to 3 weeks later, the bananas will arrive at their final destination.